In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Gemini AI app lagging or not responding while trying to generate charts. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're trying to generate any chart with Google Gemini, but it just keeps on going round and round without giving you a response, then let me show you how you can fix this. There are quite a number of steps you can take for you to be able to fix this. In the first method, instead of using one of the charts you are using, maybe the chart might be long, go ahead and just create a new chart. And by using a fresh thread, you should be able to fix this problem. However, if you're still experiencing this challenge, then you may want to go ahead and clear the app data. For this, just go back to your app and then long press on your app and choose app info. Now this will take you to this page where you can now clear the app data. You can see we have an option to clear all data here. So if you go to storage, you can see this app has quite a number of data stored. And this could be the reason why your app is malfunctioning. So to clear all data, go ahead and click on this and then click on OK. And this will clear all the app data from here. Go ahead and log in afresh into your app. And this should fix now your problem. However, if you're still encountering any challenge, then go ahead and look for your app through Google Play Store or App Store. If you're on iPhone, in my case, I'll go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store. And here is my app. Go ahead and tap on it. And should you see an option to update, go ahead and update it to the latest version. And once it is up to date, you can now go ahead and start generating your charts. Now, by following any of these methods, you should be able to fix any issues related to your app lagging or not responding. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.